ready?
This is gonna be either the most spectacular thing I've ever seen or
What
what the fuck?
Where are you going?
Where are you?
Dude, it will not stop.
It will not.
It left me.
What the hell?
We
my
fucking
What the
crashed
fuck?
there.
Oh,
The fucking stands we fucking jumped.
The map.
holy shit.
Oh my god. The fucking straight line for like, I don't
What
know,
the fuck?
500 kilometers.
How did you get that much velocity?
It's a supersonic train. It goes at 1700 kilometers an hour.
Dude, this is the new
That's
radar.
That's retarded.
It is. It's fucking